Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable running power on GARMIN Forerunner 70. To do that, we have to start a sample activity, so press Start Stop icon, then go to Activities and start any activity that you prefer. Now, what you have to do is unlock your device, swipe right, scroll down to Activity Settings, scroll a bit down until you find Running Power, tap on it, and set status to on. Select the source of your activity. You can choose between Smart Selection, Accessory Only, or Wrist Only. If you don't know what these options mean, you can select Help at the bottom. And you can also enable or disable the account for wind. And now the running power is on, so we can stop an activity and discard it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.